Okay, I am at Prospect Park, and this is the last episode of my subway series. Today we are doing the Q train. So we are doing Prospect Park to Central Park. The reason we are not doing the entire Q train is because the portion in Brooklyn south of Prospect Park is kind of hard to follow by foot. So for most of our time in Brooklyn, we're going to be just following Flatbush Avenue. I'm pretty sure this is Grand Army Plaza. And then on the other side of the street is the Central Library. Continuing on Flatbush Avenue, both downtown Brooklyn and Lower Manhattan are visible in the horizon. We are now in downtown Brooklyn with the Barclays Center and Atlantic Terminal just across the street. It's the Manhattan Bridge, which we will be walking across. This right here is the Q train. We are on the bridge. Alright, look at this. We're leaving Brooklyn, and now we're crossing over into Manhattan. It's the Brooklyn Bridge over there. This view is just gorgeous. You can even see the Statue of Liberty from far away. Well, we are now in Manhattan, and this neighborhood is Chinatown. So we were on Canal Street. Now the bulk of the rest of the walk will be done on Broadway. It's crazy how I can see the Chrysler Building in the distance, but it's just so far away. So while I was planning on getting lunch in Little Italy, for the sake of staying on the route, it appears we are now in Soho. This is a very commercial area, lots of clothing, luxury, fashion stores, and I'm just feeling the air conditioning. Oh look, there's the Museum of Ice Cream. This was in another video I made. I saw that air conditioning coming out of all the storefronts on this very, very muggy day. Now finally we have gotten to the numbered street grid pattern. Union Square, we meet again. Now this is Madison Square Park, home of the original Shake Shack. Just a huge bouncy castle at Greeley Square. Of course, Herald Square, best subway station ever. Just realizing there's a lot of squares in this part of the journey, but thankfully, I'm not one of them. Oh look, it's the same intersection I was at in my 7 video. We're at 42nd Street, Times Square. 7th Avenue will be the turf for the rest of the journey. The goalposts are in sight. And finally, we have made it to Central Park. Well, that's it for the subway series. I'm so glad that you all got to explore the city with me, and we managed to fit it within a 3-minute video. But yeah, back to regular content. We'll see you guys around.